What is the cube root of 4096? To find this really quickly, there are just two things we need to know. First, the cube root of any 4, 5 or 6-digit number will be 2 digits long. As 4096 has 4 digits, its cube root will be 2 digits long. And second, we need to know the cubes of the first 10 natural numbers. What do you observe looking at this table? Look at the cubes, the units digit of the cubes to be precise. They're all different. They range from 0 to 9. No two are the same. And that fact helps us a lot to find the cube roots of numbers. Once we know these two facts, we can proceed with our technique. Getting the units digit of the cube root is very easy. The units digit of the number is 6. Which number in the cubes column has 6 in the units digit? It's 216. So the units digit has to be 6. Because only 6 times 6 times 6 can give us the units digit as 6. How do we get the tens digit now? The number we have is 4096. First we draw a bar over 3 digits from the right. So we draw a bar over 096. And then we draw a bar over the remaining digits on the left. This number helps us with the tens digit. We need to see its position in the cubes column. Where does the number 4 lie in the cubes column? We can see that it lies between 1 and 8. It lies between 1 cubed and 2 cubed. For the tens digit, we choose the lower of 1 and 2, and that's 1. The cube root of 4096 is 16, which means 16 cubed will give us 4096. How did we get a 16? We know that the cube root of a 4, 5 or 6-digit number will be 2 digits long. The units digit of the number gives us the units digit of the cube root. And to find the tens digit, we mark 3 digits from the right and look at the number that remains. Check which cubes it lies between, and the cube root of the lower cube becomes the tens digit. Let's try out another one. Cube root of 79,507. As it is a 5-digit number, its cube root will be 2 digits long. The units digit of the number is 7. Look for 7 in the units place of the cubes column. It's this one. The units digit has to be 3. So we write a 3 here. To find the tens digit, we mark 3 digits from the right. So we draw a bar over 507. And then look at the number that remains. It's 79. Where does 79 lie in the cubes column? It lies between 64 and 125. It lies between 4 cubed and 5 cubed. And we write the number 4 in the tens place. Remember, lower of the two. The cube root of 79,507 is 43. Let's try out one last example in this video. The cube root of 658,503. Give it a shot. As it's a 6-digit number, its cube root will be 2 digits long. The units digit of the number is 3, and in the cubes column, the number with the units digit as 3 is 343, which means that the units digit here will be 7. And what do we do for the tens digit? We mark 3 digits from the right and then look at the number that remains. That's 658. Which two numbers from the cubes column does the number 658 lie between? It lies between 512 and 729. It lies between 8 cubed and 9 cubed. And this becomes the tens digit, 8. The cube root of 658,503 is 87. Remember, this technique can be used for numbers which have less than 7 digits. If the number is 7 digits long or longer, we use a different technique which we will see in the coming sessions.